Hello everyone, it is Karen Gerber here. As promised, I'm going to share with you my walkthrough of this gorgeous Graphic 45 Let It Be Folio I put together. This is designed using the Let It Be paper collection from Graphic 45 along with the journaling cards and the ephemera bits. This project took me about 40 hours to complete. I didn't do it at one time. I started it and then I put the base together and then I ended up taking it apart, adding some flips and stuff, and reinforced the spine with some crop text and decorated the cover a little bit more. So this is the cover, and then the back is that gorgeous paper. Yeah, so I have crop text on the spine. It's like a heavy-duty canvas. You can't it can't tear unless you cut it with scissors or a trimmer. I've got a closure using some ribbon, some wire ribbon, and some 49 and Market flowers there on the cover. So this is designed, the original one is designed by Paper Phenomenon. I'm going to link that below so you can check it out. It is Folios 2, and I believe this is Style 2 or Style 3. Might be Style 2, but I can confirm that. So I followed that tutorial and then changed it up a little bit, but the base is from that tutorial, and it's a gorgeous tutorial. I love it. I did use the Graphic 45 paper. So I'll start that. I'm going to slide this down because it's pretty full. So it measures, just to give you an idea, it measures, I believe it's 9 3/4. No, it's 9 by 11 is the cover. Actually, the entire folder was 9 by 11. It took about 40 sheets of cardstock, 40 plus, probably 42, and then about 33 sheets of pattern paper. So let's get started. I'm going to open it this way, and then I'm just going to slide it a little bit here. So here I've got 4 pockets, and I've got some of the ephemera cards in here. Okay, so there's 4 pockets, and then I'm going to flip this and just move it down a bit. There is a magnetic envelope here, and this was part of the tutorial, and I've got a magnetic closure on there, and it's covered front and back, and you can actually tuck stuff in this envelope. I love that idea that she came up with. And then it's also got magnets there, so you're not going to lose that. That's going to stay put in there. But on here I added 2 belly bands, so you can, for example, tuck in some photos or tags, or some memorabilia from your cruise, for example. So in here, I added 4 flips, and these ones are covered with pattern paper. But if you plan on putting photos in here, there's no need to cover this with pattern paper. You can actually put your photos in here, which I plan to do. So that is that side. Now let's just slide this over just a bit. Here I have I use the Pink Fresh ornate banner for the banners, and I have a few of them throughout this folio. These are on a magnetic closure, and inside they're holding some of the smaller journaling cards, which are perfect size to tuck in here. So let's just go this way. This opens up this way. On here, the first pocket, I have a pocket, which I use my border punch. That's my hubby upstairs getting ready for dinner. Here I have a belly band that is attached by a magnet, and I have a 49 and Market clip there. And then I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 flips here. 4, 5, 6, 8 flips. They're perfect for the size of the smaller journaling cards, but I want to use some 3x4 photos in there. But I'm just going to keep these here for now. Close that up. Just going to move this This is going to slide to the left. Here I have another magnetic photo waterfall, and there's 8 waterfalls there. And then here I just have a belly band, which will hold some of the larger cards, or you can put another photo waterfall in there. The ideas are endless. So as this flips up that way, now we're going to open it this way. And then we've got the ornate banners here again. And as you can see, I wanted this beautiful paper to kind of move through the folio. This opens this way. I've got a side pocket here using one of the Graphic 45 smaller dies as a detail flip. I've got one of the larger cards there, and then I just left this blank for now. So this is going to open this way. Slide this down a bit. And here I added 2 more flips. This was not part of the tutorial. So I added 2 more flips there. This was part of the tutorial. So this has 2 smaller flips, and there's room enough in there for more photos or a waterfall. Same with this bottom one, and I added a border punch. So this will flip up this way, and this will flip down this way. And then again, I've got that same paper going throughout the base here so that it all blends beautifully. I'm going to close that, close that, close that, and then close that. And then that is the left side of the folio. The right pretty much mirrors the left. I just did a couple different things here. So on the front, I've got some of the ephemera bits in here. Another 49 and Market clip. You can clip on some photos on there. I'm just going to slide this. This opens to the right. And then again, I've got that envelope, which is covered double front and back with another flip there, like a pocket, and then the belly band. And then it's on a magnetic closure in here. I've added 6 more waterfall. Like I added a waterfall there. There's 6 there. So close that up. And then I've also got the ornate banner again here, which I use as a flip. And there's that beautiful large sunflower paper. This opens up this way. And I've got the ornate banner here again. And this is on a magnetic closure. And then this is just double matted. I haven't decided what I'm putting here yet. Probably a belly band and some more photos. I'm going to open this up this way. And then I've got 2 flips here and that beautiful sunflower paper. And then I've got another belly band here. This is a pocket. I added some pockets in here. And I've got some of the ephemera cards in there. This opens up this way. And again, you can put a waterfall in here. But I wanted to switch it up a little bit, so I'm probably just going to tuck in memorabilia in there and then some more photos in the belly band here. So this is going to close up this way. This opens this way. And here I have a side pocket that I've added along with my border punch. And then this pocket holds some of the cards along with one of the pieces of paper that I had left over. And then here is a magnetic flip again. And I've got one of the smaller journaling cards there. Same with this one. This is one of the Graphic 45 dies that has that little money folder. And so I've just got that tucked in there for now. And then this flips up and this flips down. And then again, I use the same paper here so that it can all blend so beautifully together. I didn't want to cover it up, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Not sure what I'm going to do with here yet. It's just beautiful the way it is, but it will hold my photos beautifully. So let's close that up, close these up, close this up, and then that's going to close that way. Let's just tuck this in here for now. So there it is. There is my huge folio. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. If you have any questions, drop a question below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you've enjoyed this and have a great day. Take care.